Welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Thursday evening, August 7th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of health, fitness, and wellness news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline. Biomed News Breaks, Soligenix Inc., SNGX, featured an NNW editorial on rare disease innovation. Soligenix Inc., traded on NASDAQ under the symbol SNGX, has been featured in a Network Newswire editorial focusing on rare disease innovation. The editorial highlights Soligenix's HiBright platform, a new treatment for cutaneous T-cell lymphoma, a rare skin cancer affecting older adults. With U.S.-based manufacturing now in place for HiBright's active ingredient, Soligenix is showing a commitment to innovation and support for underserved patient populations. Soligenix is a late-stage biopharmaceutical company specializing in treating rare diseases with unmet medical needs. The company's specialized biotherapeutics segment is advancing HiBright TM toward potential commercialization for CTCL treatment. Soligenix also has development programs for other diseases, including psoriasis, inflammatory conditions, and vaccines for diseases like ricin toxin, Ebola, and COVID-19. For more information, visit Soligenix website at soligenix.com.
ARTBIO expands board of directors with 4 new appointments. Co-founder shifts to technical advisory board. ARTBIO Inc. announces 4 new appointments to its board of directors, reflecting the company's commitment to advancing alpha radioligand programs. Maha Katabi, PhD, CFA, Robert Mittendorf, MD, MBA, Julie O'Neill, MBA, and Gabe Gelman bring decades of experience in biotech, healthcare, and investments to the team. Co-founder Roy Larson, PhD, transitions to a new technical advisory board within ARTBIO. These appointments come after a recent Series B funding round, allowing ARTBIO to accelerate multiple impactful programs. CEO Emanuele Ostuni praises Dr. Larson's contributions to the radiopharma field, highlighting his ongoing partnership with the company. ARTBIO is pioneering new cancer therapies with its unique alpha-direct technology and lead program AB001 in clinical trials for metastatic castration-resistant prostate cancer. Biomed News Breaks, Annovis Bio Inc., ANVS, secures full patent coverage for new crystalline form of buntanetap. Annovis Bio Inc., a late-stage clinical company focused on neurodegenerative diseases, has secured full patent coverage for a new crystalline form of buntanetap. The expanded intellectual property now covers both the original and new forms of the compound through 2046, including composition of matter, mechanism of action, and use in multiple indications. The new form offers improved stability with bioequivalence confirmed in animal and human studies, as presented at the 2025 Alzheimer's Association International Conference. For more information, visit Annovis Bio's website. Izotropic Corp, IZOZF, advancing next-gen breast cancer imaging. Izotropic Corp is advancing next-gen breast cancer imaging with its IzoView breast CT imaging system. The company is addressing the critical challenges of accurate detection and diagnosis in the fight against breast cancer, especially for women with dense breast tissue. With approximately 316,950 new cases of invasive breast cancer expected in women in 2025, Izotropic's IzoView system is poised to revolutionize breast cancer screening. The company is initiating a strategic awareness and engagement campaign in preparation for future commercialization. For more information, investors can visit the company's newsroom. This segment was brought to you by InvestorWire, a specialized communications platform focused on advanced wire-grade press release syndication for private and public companies. How to rebuild trust in the U.S. healthcare system. A recent survey by Gallup in 2025 revealed a 14% drop in public trust in physicians since 2021, the steepest decline among all professions. Rebuilding trust requires prioritizing patients, and putting their needs first. As trust grows, even vulnerable communities served by healthcare insurance providers like Asteva Health will benefit. Investors can find updates on Asteva Health in the company's newsroom. BioMedWire is a specialized platform focusing on biotechnology, biomedical sciences, and life sciences sectors, providing access to a wide network of wire solutions and tailored corporate communications solutions. For more information, visit BioMedWire's website. Biomed News Breaks, Izotropic Corporation, OTQB IZOZF, 1R3, launches multilingual podcast to raise awareness of breast imaging innovation. Izotropic Corporation, a medical device company focused on breast cancer detection, has launched a multilingual podcast series titled Beyond the Mammogram, Rethinking the Future of Breast Imaging. The series aims to educate global audiences on the limitations of current imaging tools and the benefits of Izotropic's IzoView breast CT system. By repurposing public data, the podcast provides valuable information for patients, professionals, and stakeholders as the company seeks regulatory approval. More information about Izotropic Corporation can be found on its website at izocorp.com and on SEDAR at sedarplus.ca.
Investor News Breaks, SOBRsafe Inc., SOBR, secures European patent for SOBRcheck alcohol detection device. SOBRsafe Inc., a leader in next-generation alcohol monitoring technology, has secured European patent EP41713 SCIC2 for its FTECM device. This proprietary non-invasive transdermal alcohol screening system utilizes skin contact verification, biometric ID scanning, and wireless data transmission to detect alcohol consumption without intrusive sampling. The patent strengthens SOBRsafe's position in workplace safety, judicial compliance, and wellness markets ahead of planned European pilot programs in the second half of 2025. Through advanced transdermal technology, SOBRsafe provides passive, dignified screening and monitoring solutions for various markets. For more information, visit www.sobrsafe.com. Lantern Pharma Inc., NASDAQ LTRN, completes Japanese enrollment for LP3 Phase 2 harmonic trial ahead of schedule. Lantern Pharma Inc., listed on NASDAQ as LTRN, has successfully completed Japanese enrollment for the Phase 2 harmonic TM trial for LP300 ahead of schedule. The trial focuses on never-smoker non-small cell lung cancer patients in Japan, where this type of cancer is prevalent. LP300 is being tested alongside standard chemotherapy agents for patients who have relapsed after tyrosine kinase inhibitor therapy. Lantern Pharma's AI-driven approach aims to identify and develop therapies for underserved cancer markets. More trial data from Taiwan and the U.S. is expected in Q3 2025. Lantern Pharma, a clinical-stage biotech company, leverages AI and machine learning to innovate oncology drug development. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.